welcome guys, nandito na naman tayo, nagbabalik sa Mobile Legends Bang Bang. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo at try natin kung may mabili tayong hero at magpaparang tayo na magpaparang. At dahil hindi ako nakapag-upload ng ilang weeks dahil check ako ng check sa ML dahil naban ako sa rank. Bawal ako mapag-rank. Pero ngayon pwede na. Kaya hindi na ako mag-AFK. Hindi na ngayon ako mag-AFK ngayon. Dahil ayoko na. Para naman hindi na tayo at pinalitan ko ang aking ng China ang aking. Pinalitan ko yung guys, plug. No, pinalitan ko ang China. Yan lang yung pinalit ko guys. Yan. Kaya gagawin natin. Try natin bumili. Kung pwede ba o hindi. Ito lang natin yun. Dahil kung pwede, ay pwede naman. May gusto ko mabili ulit mga guys. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko mahanap yung gusto mong mabita. So kaya nabili gamit ang pera pero wala akong kaya magpapaano muna tayo dahil nasa 20,000 lang muna tayo. Ito tayo lang natin magparanggo at gano'n natin si Giglon. Nakikita nyo yan. Ito lang lagi gamit ko guys. Kasi malakas yung niya. Hit lang tayo. At ito lang gagawin natin ngayon. Sana manalo ka. Sana naman manalo na ako. Hirap maging hindi manalo. Hirap pa naman pag natalo ka. Oh, may skin siya, grabe yung gandang skin niya.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Wala naman yung Wala namang pagbasa sa skill.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Wala naman yan sa pagbasehan sa skin. Sa lakas yan. At baka
Launch attack.
Your whole
Kasi ako
body is a
marunong
weak
magganito
spot.
guys. Magbilang.
It would take an army to stop me.
First blood.
Tranquil as a
Ano natin yun?
but raging within. Your whole body is a weak spot.
Ally has been slain.
Wala siya marunong magandang kaya
Nothing
Ito.
scares me, not even death. Tranquil as a poem, but raging within. It would take an army
Enemy
to
has
stop
been
me.
slain.
patay natin to.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Ally has been slain.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Launch attack.
It would take an army to stop me.
Yan, patay siya.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Patay.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
An ally has slain the
Kung paano ka nakakaw.
Launch attack.
Army to stop.
Slain.
Wait lang guys ha.
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
May tumawag kasi guys. Nabatay pa ako.
An enemy has been slain.
Ito lang yan guys. Kaganti na lang tayo.
It would take an army to stop me.
Launch attack. Mega kill.
Hirap yun guys.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Heroes never fade.
An enemy has been slain.
Tignan mo guys. Wala pa tayo kahit isang napapatay.
Launch attack.
Your whole body is a weak spot. Nothing scares
Killing
me,
spree.
not even death.
Clear up lane.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within. Heroes never fade.
Our turret has been destroyed.
ba yun? Wala pa akong napatay kahit isa.
Launch attack.
It would take an army to stop me.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Gaganti naman tayo guys pag naka-ano na natin yung...
Double kill.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
May tumawag kasi guys eh.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Launch attack.
Heroes never fade. Yeah.
Slain an enemy. Launch attack. Killing spree.
It would take an army to stop me.
Slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Nothing scares me, not even death. Heroes never fade. It would take an army to stop me.
Killing spree. Legendary.
Ay, naku, dalawa na yung patay
Legendary.
ko.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ay, naku.
Heroes never fade.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. You have slain an enemy.
Your whole body is a weak spot. Nothing scares me, not even death.
Ah! Masyadong malakas guys.
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung part 2 guys. Dito ko muna natin yung tapos. Peace out. Ngayon sa